Hi everyone, welcome to another storytelling session from Tale Tribe. I am Tamrai Chelvi from Tale Tribe, the storytelling venture. Are you ready to listen to today's story? Alright, can you see this book? This story is from this book. Alright, this is called the Little Girl Who Has Hidden the Sun. From that, one story shall we see today? Right. Okay. And children, can you see with me? Somebody is waiting for you to say hi. Can you see her? Yeah, that beautiful little girl like you, children, the cheerful little Kumuda. Say hi to Kumuda. Hi, Kumuda. How are you? Yeah, okay. One day, Kumuda came in the evening. She went to school and came in the evening. So when you children come back home, what will you do? You'll be very hungry, no? You'll say, Amma, 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 I want something to eat, Amma. I'm so hungry, Ma. Please, Ma, give me something to eat, and I want to drink milk. Like that, you will ask, right? Kumuda also, that day she was super hungry. She said, Mom, please, Mom, I'm so hungry, Mom. Give me something to eat, Mom. I know you would have made something nice, Mom, please, Mom. She said. Mother said, I know, Kumuda, but before that, you have to keep your bag in its place, remove your shoes and socks, go wash your hands and legs and face, change your uniform and come. I made your favorite healthy snack today, you know. Can you guess? Kumuda said, Amma, I know what is my healthy snack. I love my sprouted channa boiled, isn't it? She said, Yes, come, we'll eat. So Kumuda went and washed her hands and legs, changed her uniform, and she came and said, Amma, now you give me my snack. So mother put it in a bowl with a spoon and gave and said, Kumuda, here is your milk. Okay, keep this milk. After eating, you finish drinking this milk also. All right, because I have some very important work outside. I'll just go meet that person and come back as soon as possible. Said, okay, Amma, I will be a good girl playing with my toys and I'll finish my milk also. Okay, I'll sit in the balcony and do it. Okay, Amma? Mother said, good child. And mom went away. She locked the door and went away. And Kumuda is eating, happily enjoying the snack, and she was going to drink her milk. Okay, suddenly she heard somebody knocking the door. Not just knocking the door, children. You know, somebody is calling her name. Kumuda, Kumuda, like that. Initially, Kumuda thought, ah, not me. Who's going to call me now? But again, she heard a noise, knock, 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 and Kumuda, Kumuda, like that. Okay. And now Kumuda is like, somebody is calling my name. Let me go and open the door. And when she went and opened the door, children, you're too good. I know. You're too good in imagining, isn't it? Can you imagine? There was a surprise for Kumuda. Some new person or new thing or new animal was standing and calling her name. Can you guess? I'll just give a few seconds to guess. Okay? I hope you have guessed it right. Did you guess it right? Okay. Who was calling Kumuda, you know? It is none other than the little deer you see on the picture. Okay? And said, Kumuda opened the door and said, Hey dear, did you call my name? How did you know me? How did you come? Did you come from the forest? She asked. The deer is like, I know you very well. And what is that forest? I don't know forest. Really? But you all live in the forest only, no? Kumuda asked the deer. But the deer said, First of all, I am your guest, okay? Is it the way to treat a guest? You don't call me inside and give me something to drink. I'm also super hungry. Give me some milk, Kumuda. Then I will answer all your questions. Kumuda said, okay, come inside. I'm so happy to see you. I have some milk to share with you. I'll give you my milk, okay? 2 minutes before, if you had come, no, I would have given you my channa also. It's okay. Now you can drink milk. Like that, she told, and she offered her. She poured the milk in a plate and offered it to the deer. The deer was hungry, no? Like that, it drank the milk, and now it's looking at Kumuda. Now Kumuda is waiting, no? For she has got so many questions. Okay, dear, you tell me now. Did you come from the forest? How did you know my name? How did you know our house? And so many questions like that she was asking. But the deer was like standing. It did not answer any of the questions. It just kept on looking at her like this. If somebody, you ask so many questions and somebody keeps on looking at you, you will get angry, right? So Kumuda is like, how? Why are you not talking to me? You only call me, no. Kumuda, Kumuda, like that you call me. But why are you teasing me? Tell me, dear, you are not friend with me? She asked. The deer said, how can I not be friend with you? You are my only friend. I'm not teasing you, Kumuda. You kept telling about some forest. What is a forest? The deer asked. And one more thing, before that, you tell me, what were you doing yesterday morning? The deer asked. Again, Kumuda said, I'm asking you so many questions. I gave you milk, I opened the door, and I let you in also. And I asked so many questions, and you don't answer any question. And you are only teasing me and asking me more questions. I know, like that, she said. But the deer said, no, 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 no. I told you, you are my only friend. I will not tease you. Promise. But you answer my questions, no? All your questions will be answered, Kumuda. Really? Okay. I like you. So I'll tell you. Where was I yesterday morning? Kumuda was thinking for some time and told, I remember I was yesterday playing with Amuda, my best friend. She came for a holiday, so we were playing in the garden. And now you answer me. How did you know me? How did you know my name? How did you come from the forest? The deer did not answer for this also. Okay. One more question, Kumuda. You played with your friend Amuda in the garden. After playing, what did you do? Do you remember? Kumuda is really getting angry. This is not fair, dear. I answered so many questions. Again, you are asking one more question. Hmm, After that, what did I do? I don't know. I don't know what did I do. But you tell me. The deer asked one more question. Kumuda, it's okay. If you don't remember what did you do after that, leave it. But you tell me, what is a forest? Answer this one question, no? The deer told. Kumuda said, okay, I will answer you. Even I don't know what a forest is, okay? I haven't seen at all. I have read in the books. My mother used to read for me. I've seen in the TV what is a forest. You know what is a forest? The forest is very big, and there will be big trees and big plants, and all the wild animals will be there. You know the wild animals, right? They must be your friends. The lion, tiger, bear, fox, and then elephant, hyena, and then snakes, crocodiles, and so many insects, so many reptiles, and will be there. and there will be nice waterfalls will be there, and there will be river, and it's a big place. I told no, all the animals will live happily, sharing everything with each other. It is not like city, it seems, it's a more happy place. That is what I know, Kumuda told. The deer is like listening to it like that. When we are amazed, when somebody tells us like this, we'll be like sitting like this, no? We'll be imagining, isn't it? So like that, the deer is also sitting, and I'm amazed with all your telling about the forest, Kumuda. Forest is so beautiful, is it? Okay. I even the imagination itself is so beautiful. How will it be when we see it for the really, isn't it? Do one thing, Kumuda. Next time when Amuda comes, ask her to do two things. Ask her to do how many things? Two things. So Kumuda said, what? Again. Dear said, the first thing is, please ask her to take me to the forest. And then the second thing is, ask her to get me some more friends. I don't have any friends at all. Like that. So Kumuda was like, I don't understand what you are telling, but I understand only one thing. You want friends? No. That I can do. I can't take you to forest because even I haven't seen the forest. But I will give you one friend, okay? Come with me, Kumuda said. So follow me, she said. And the deer was happily following her. Okay. And then where Kumuda took the deer? She took the deer into her room. Okay. And then deer said, oh, Kumuda, I understand. I got your idea, but it will not happen. Kumuda stood and looked at the deer because deer is following, no? You wait. Don't be in a hurry. I will get you a nice friend, okay? Keep quiet and follow, Kumuda told. But the deer was laughing. Like that, the deer was laughing. Kumuda did not understand. Wait for a second. And she went inside her room and opened the door and looked at the wall. You know what happened previous day? When Amuda came, Amuda has brought a nice picture because Amuda nicely draws, she's a very good artist. She loves painting and drawing. She made a picture of a deer, painted it beautifully with ears pink and the body in the fawn color. I hope you have guessed it, children. And she brought it, framed it, and gifted it to Kumuda. So that is the picture. She hanged it on the wall in her room. Did you guess why the deer was telling? Either I will be there or your friend will be there. Remember that, isn't it? So, like that. And when Kumuda goes inside the room and looks at the wall, there is no picture. Kumuda is very upset. Oh my god, it was here. Yesterday only Amuda presented it to me. It was a beautiful deer. I brought you here to show that only. Kumuda was very upset. But the deer was laughing. I told you it will not be there. Kumuda said, why? Deer said, I will tell you why in a minute, okay? I'll just say, you just close your eyes and I will say 1, 2, and 3. After 3, you open your eyes, then you will find the magic. Kumuda said, okay, from the beginning you are only telling me to do things and you ask me questions. You don't give me proper answer, but still you are a good friend, I know. So I'll do what you say, okay? Kumuda closed her eyes. The deer said, 1, 2, 3, now. And Kumuda opened the eyes. When she opened the eyes, children, did you guess it? I hope you guessed it right. There was no deer standing behind her, but only the picture frame was there. She looked and the picture frame just 1 minute before it was not there, and 1 minute after the picture in the deer is there. The the real deer behind her is not there, isn't it? And Kumula is so surprised. My best friend gave me the picture, and this deer has come and talked to me and drank milk. How nice it is! So she was so happy to see that picture bag which Amuda has presented it to her. Okay, so this is the story from this book. Engirundu Bandai is the story name. Children, I hope you enjoyed the story. If you like the story, you give some comments. What you think? Ask your mother to write, or you can, if you can type, you can type and share it. So please do subscribe the our channel Tail Tribe. I am Thamrai Chelvi from Tail Tribe Storytelling Venture. Okay, see you with the next beautiful story. Bye everyone.